Welcome students. Standard 4th. Subject Computer. Lesson number 1. Fundamentals of Computers. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic device, students, which runs on electricity. It functions according to the instructions which are called programs. Even it has the ability to store, retrieve and even process data. We can use computer to type documents. Some important documents are there of us, right? We can type the documents in the computer. Even we can send email and surf the internet for finding any information. Characteristics of a computer. Computer is an electronic device, students, which can perform several tasks at a time, which is also called multitasking. For example, it can play music while typing a letter. The characteristics of a computer are: first, speed. Computer can process the data at the speed of more than 50 million instructions given to it per second, students. Second, efficiency. Computer is very efficient, students. Even it does not get tired after it is being continuously used. Third, storage. Computer has the capacity to store large amount of data. We can store our important data in our computer also. Large amount of data is being stored in the computer through inbuilt or external storage devices. Fourth, reliability. Computer is quite trustworthy, students. It can perform various operations without any mistake. Fifth one, versatility. We can use computer to perform different types of work at the same time. Sixth one, no IQ. Computer does not work without instructions. So, we have to give him instructions, then only it is going to work. Number 7, no feeling. Computer does not have any emotions or feeling. We human beings have emotions and feelings, but computer does not have any emotion or feeling, students. The uses of a computer. Computer plays an important role in our life, students. They have many special and useful features. Hence, they are being used in different fields. You have seen, right? A few uses we are going to learn now. We can store a lot of data on the computer. Yes, we can store a lot of data on the computer. It is very much useful for us. We can even draw pictures on the computer. Right, students? You like to draw pictures, right? So you can draw different types of pictures on the computer also. You can solve mathematical problems on the computer. So students, we can also solve the mathematical problems on the computer. We can even play games on the computer. Everyone like to play games, right? So we can even play games on the computer. We can even listen to the music on the computer. So even we can listen to the music in the computer. Wow, it's so nice. Further part of the chapter we will study in the next lecture, students. Thank you.